Assalamualaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 166, lecture number 9, exercise 13A. Draw line segment on given measurement and bisect each one of them using a ruler and pair of compasses. Compass. Write the steps of construction. First, I done for you, another you should by self, no? 5 centimeter. Question number 1, part 1. First, I draw AB 5 centimeter with the help of ruler. You can check on scale. 5 centimeter, 0 to 5 centimeter. Okay, I draw the line. Done. Okay. Step 1 is draw AB 5 centimeter, and step 2, with A as a center and with a suitable radius more than half of AB, draw 2 arcs above and below AB. स्टेप 2 यू कैन राइट लाइक एज नो कि आपने ये जो 5 सेंटीमीटर है इसकी हाफ लाइन ड्रा करनी, देन ठीक हो गया. लाइक एज यू ड्रा. At point B. Let's see. Now on the other side, down side. I given the name of two arc point L and M. I told you how to draw now. Now I draw the line between two arc. इनके दोनों के दरमियान मैंने लाइन ड्रा करना. ठीक हो गया. Question number 1, part first. I done for you. In this part I tell how to draw AB 5 centimeter with the ruler, with the help of ruler, with the A as a center and with the suitable radius more than half of AB, draw 2 arcs above and below AB, and with the B as a center and the same radius arc at L and M. You can check L and M, same arc. I draw there now. Okay. Then the step 3, you can measure AN and NB. AN, look this point. AN and NB are equal. Both are equal. And then line LM and bisect the line segment AB at N. Okay, done for you.